Nahar Global School Video Lectures. Subject English, Class 8 Standard. Title A Poem. The name of it is Macavity the Mystery Cat, and the writer of this poem is Sir T.S. Eliot. Cat has always been a pet, very kind, cute, and helpful. But today we are going to see this mystery cat Macavity. Let's start with a glossary to make our mind sharp and strong. Defy, disobey or resist openly. Scotland Yard, the headquarters of the London Police. Flying Squad, a group of police. Levitation, floating in the air. Glossary is a thing which makes our vocabulary stronger and even more stronger. Fiend, devil. Feline, relating to a cat. Depravity, moral corruption. Squeeze, to move from here to there. Noticed, to be watched. Let us see this Macavity and its synopsis at a glance. Yeah, this is a detective cat which is not a pet but a mysterious cat. The name of the cat is Macavity and the poet of it is Sir T.S. Eliot. Macavity is also called as hidden paw. It is called hidden paw because it is many times invisible. When we want to see it, we are unable to see it. It hides in himself. So we are calling it as hidden paw also. It has a masked criminal brain and it defies every law. Defies every law means breaks all the laws. He has the powers of levitation and he breaks the law of gravity because sometimes it is seen in the basement and the very next moment one can see it flying in the air. And most probably when the cop searches for him, he is found nowhere. The mystery cat is always seen with a fakir stare. So, one can easily guess what kind of detective this small cat will be. Don't go on this picture and think it as innocent. This picture will define you the appearance and characteristics of the cat. Yeah, the cat is tall and thin. It is like a ginger cat. It has a deeply lined eyebrow. It has a highly domed head. It has a dusted coat, means its coat has too much of dust. It is not has been washed for a long period. And its whiskers are most probably uncombed. And while we see it, we think that this cat is sleeping. It is in a half sleep, but it is, don't mistake it, be careful, it is awake, wide awake. He is fiend in feline shape. He is a monster of depravity. One can see him, one can also meet him, easily observe him, but when there is a crime, no one finds him. Yes, the mystery cat is unfound, it hides himself. This was all about Macavity the Mystery Cat, written by Sir T.S. Eliot. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.